To be a good blender, you must be a sensory expert, have an artistic and creative flair, have a good understanding of the chemistry of the process, have a passion for the art, and pay attention to the details, says Joy Spence. Jamaican-born, Dr. Joy Spence made history in 1997, becoming the first female master blender in the spirits industry. Over the last 20 years, she has created some of the world's finest Jamaican rums, including Appleton Estate Reserve Blend and Appleton Estate Rare Blend 12-year-old. In 2017, to celebrate her 2 decades as master blender, Appleton Estate released her creation, the Joy Anniversary Blend, exquisite and expensive. She graduated from the UWI in 1972 with first-class honors in chemistry. 5 years later, she achieved the highest grades ever in analytical chemistry at the University of Loughborough in the UK. Her dozens of accolades include the Golden Rum Barrel Pioneers Award for Outstanding Rum Achievement and the International Spirits Challenge Outstanding Contribution Award. In 2014, she was bestowed an honorary degree from the University of Loughborough and an honorary degree from the University of the West Indies. She was named in the top 20 most influential women in food and drink by Food and Wine and Fortune magazines. She says family, co-workers, and the people of Jamaica are her greatest inspirations. For her body of work, the government of Jamaica bestowed on her the Order of Distinction, rank of officer, and the Order of Distinction, rank of commander. What you may not know is she enjoys gardening and dancing, rum and codfish, a proud tradition that binds Jamaica and Canada. Tonight, we honor Dr. Joy Spence with the Vice-Chancellor's Award.